How to invite your friends in Monopoly Go. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can invite your friends in Monopoly Go. So, if you want to play Monopoly with your friends, make sure you stay till the end of this video and follow along the steps. So let's open up our application, and here you need to click on Friends button in the bottom right corner of the screen. And as you can see, to add your friends, you have three options. First one is through contacts. Second one is using the Facebook, and the third one is invite, which will okay, let's close this, which will then give you a link you can send to your friends and invite them manually. So basically, that's it for today's quick tutorial. I hope you guys find this tutorial helpful, and if you do find it helpful, as always, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and goodbye.